Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to get coins in eFootball 2024 mobile. So I will show you the legit way on how you can get coins in eFootball. So basically, the first thing that you can do here is by getting the login bonus. So you just need to log in every day and you will receive some rewards including the coins. So basically, it will give you 50 to 100 coins a day. So you just need to get all the coins and receive all the gifts from login bonus. Now the second way here to get more eFootball coins is by going to match. So by joining some events, you can get some rewards and eFootball coins. So if you tap on events, you'll find all the available matches, user matches versus AI match, user matches, and other events right here. So if you enter here, you will find all the rewards that you can get every time you join this event and winning. So you just need to continue playing by joining these events on eFootball. Now the third way here to get coins in eFootball is by going to shop. So basically if you tap on shop, here you can get or buy eFootball coins. So by purchasing the eFootball coins, you can get more coins so you can buy more special players in eFootball. So here you will find 130 eFootball coins and the price. So you can get by buying or purchase your eFootball coins. Now the last one here is by going to try some advice or recommendations from other vloggers telling you that you can get free coins by going to extras. So if you tap on these extras, then go to support, then tap on services and info and balance sheet. Basically here, you just need to open all the login bonus until the loading screen appears on this option. So if you go back and if you open all the login bonus and go back here and then go to help, and here basically you'll just need to go to general information and find inbox. Then if you tap on inbox and it will starting to load, you can now go back and reopen your eFootball. Then you can get more eFootball coins. So that's all. That's how you basically get coins in eFootball. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.